The Physical Items dashboard provides a comprehensive overview of your library's physical inventory. It helps you monitor item availability, usage, and condition, supporting smarter inventory management decisions about acquisitions, weeding, and maintenance. You can access the Physical Items dashboard in two ways: via Analytics, out-of-the-box Analytics, find the Physical Items dashboard, and click on it for a preview of the report and a link to the full report. Alternatively, open Analytics. Access Analytics. In Oracle Analytics, click Open, Open, and under Shared Folders, Alma, Inventory, Dashboards, select Physical Items, and double-click a report on the right. The Physical Items dashboard is divided into 6 tabs containing different reports on physical items. We are currently in the Item Count by Library and Location report. This report provides a complete picture of your institution's physical inventory, with a full listing of titles, their call number, and the item count per title. Our institution's total item count is 99,416. If we filter to the law library, we can see it has 2,650 items. We can also filter further by location. The Item Process Type report lists all physical items with the option to sort and filter by library and process type. For example, filtering the process type to in process shows us there are 66 items currently undergoing some internal library activity. This can help you allocate resources accordingly. The Item Count report provides the number of physical items by library and location. In the table, we can see for each library its locations, the number of items per location, and the total items for that library. The Item Count versus Item Loaned chart shows how many items have never been loaned, most of them in our case, and how many have been loaned once, twice, etc. This can help you understand the volume of low-use materials and make decisions regarding storage. The Item Count by Material Type chart shows you how many physical items of each type there are, which can help plan physical space. In our case, the vast majority are books, followed by journals. The Item Additions Withdrawals report shows how many physical items were added to the inventory versus how many were withdrawn from it. The items added are broken down by library and material type, while the items withdrawn are broken down by item status and process type. As you can see, these items have been deleted from the library's catalog. To focus on inventory changes during a given date range, you can filter this report by item receiving date and the last modification date, which would indicate when an item was deleted. The Physical Item Usage for Weeding report helps you identify physical items for removal or weeding from your collections by showing which items have been loaned infrequently or not at all. You can search for items by many criteria, including library and location. Most importantly, you can filter by the last loan date. For example, let's filter for items last loaned over 5 years ago, or never at all, and click OK. This table shows us the infrequently loaned items yielded by our criteria. You can export the list to a spreadsheet from the bottom of the page. To return to the Physical Items dashboard, click the browser's back button. Finally, to check you aren't weeding items your library is obligated to keep, go to the Physical Items Committed to Retain report. Here is the list of all the items our library has committed to retain. Retention is useful when several libraries pool their resources together, and some of the library's items need to be retained even when internal usage is low. This report can help you honor that commitment. With the Physical Items dashboard, you can make smarter decisions about acquisitions, weeding, and maintenance.